first I want you to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe because this cost a lot of money. Let's go get into it. We've arrived. As you can see, I'm a big LOL fan. Look at all these LOL stuff that I got. First I want to tell you about this LOL house. So my favorite thing is probably the bathroom. It is so cute. As you can see right now the light is on. I could turn it off. Back over here. If you get it, there might be a little golden tack on it. You could take it off and then it will actually work. And here's the toilet. The toilet is so cute. As you can see, you can flip it open, make a funny sound. If you're wondering where I got this, I actually made it. Maybe I'll show you how to make it in my other video. Here's some soap that I got from iPet. And here's a little stand to look in the mirror. And my next favorite is the bedroom. As you can see, there's a bunk bed with a slide. And then there's a bag full of their toys, an iPad, a little stuffy bunny, and a cute little person. Like a doll. And over here is their closet. And then there's their pet. That came with the LOL house. And this is the boy LOL doll that came with the LOL house. And now here is the living room. And it has this little light that is my favorite other thing than the bathroom. And now we have the elevator. It could go here, here, and here. And as you can see, the girl LOL doll is doing her makeup in the makeup station. I got these small clips at Lotte, and they are very, very cute. And then here's the baby that I had, that my friend gave me. Here's 2 sunglasses. And here's the balcony where these 2 girls are chilling. And here's some car keys to the other LOL thing that I'm going to show you when I'm done showing all about this. And last but not least, the kitchen. The kitchen has an odd looking window. These baby chairs looking things, I love these chairs. And then the fridge. Now here's the pool. There's the big heart one, and if you could see closely, there's actually a crack between it. And then there's this hot tub, which is mostly for the babies. And here is the sand pit. Yeah, I didn't really have any sand, so it's kind of empty. And then we have the car. Let me go get the car keys that I was going to show you. These cute little car keys belong to this car. I got it a few days ago. And then this OMG LOL doll is driving it. And I did break her hair. Don't mind. And then we have this LOL doll, which is next to it. And these that are in the pool that has no water. And here are all of my other LOL dolls that I have. And in here, I would probably go for the next video. And I got this at Walmart, online. You can search it in Google. I'm in love with it. Hopefully you get it too. And make sure you subscribe. I did tell this warning at the beginning, but if you forgot to do it, make sure you do it right now. Bye.